Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company and SEO expert. Today, I am here with a new case study regarding a Google Ads account suspension. Now, why this case study is different is because this account was initially suspended for your account doesn't comply with the Google Ads terms and condition, and previously the account was in a stuck position for the last 2 years, and it was a very frustrating position for the client. We got it restored last time, and it took us a lot of time to get it restored for the first time. And but even in the end the client was very happy. And then the client took the account operations himself. And then suddenly, when the client had a sudden increase in their budget, suddenly increasing the budget, the account was running fine for the few days. When we handed them the account, had no issues, everything was working well. But when they suddenly increased the budget, they uh, the account got a suspension. And this time the account suspension was your account doesn't uh, your account is suspended for circumventing system policy. Now that is very frustrating for you, for me, and for the client especially, because the account, he already waited a lot to get the account back up and running. And then when you see the sign again, so now this is a case study, because now this account was previously suspended, then got unsuspended, now this is again suspended. So which is why it's a very different case study. So when this is an account, so when the account was being again provided to us, and they were like, they were very frustrated. If you look around, the account was spending money on the 2nd January, and today is 17th January. So you can see that the account was in a running position till 2nd January, and the account got a further suspension again. Now if you look around, the account was suspended before as well, and we restored as well. If I show you the all-time stats to show you that the account was suspended first, hold it for a lot of time, and then it was somewhere between this that the account was suspended, and we got it restored. And now when you see it again suspended, so it was a very turning point for them, like in a very sad way. So now I'm going to show you the first of all, we exactly discussed on the changes on the account. Once we did on the changes on the account, we did a thorough review of the account. We found some dead ads, we found some disapproved ads as well. Okay, most of the clients don't bother when they see disapproved ads in the account. They see like, okay, I'm going to put a new one. But having a disapproved approved ad and not either sorting it or deleting it can cause issue as well. So we pointed out the notes on what could be the reason. If people ask me if there is a sudden increase in your spending can cause suspension sometimes, so yeah, I can say that if you suddenly increase your budget without a very solid account history, or without any reason, or anything, without even with a reason or without a reason, your account can get suspended, because Google may feel suspicious because it was not expecting from you. So that was main case over there. But whenever the account goes into the manual review, now Google may checks on many things, and Google may think that this could be the reason, this could be the reason. So we sorted out the disapproved ad. And then we also discuss on further things as well, like what could be further reasons which can suspend accounts. So we created a file as well. We shared the shared within our account, with the client, and the client was like, okay, no, none of these issues are the main concerning thing. But it told them that when an account is suspended, now everything could be a reason, and Google may look on the tiniest thing as well to get it restored. So we may also, these things may doesn't necessarily may impact when your account is running. But when your account suddenly gets suspended, everything needs to be sorted out. We have a checklist of 170 steps combined for Google Ads, Google Merchant Center, Google Ads Disapproved, which we may use whenever there is an account suspended, to see around. Okay, we looked around on the core vital issues. We looked around on the page speed. We suggested them some UI use experiences. There was some dead links as well. When we suggested them the UI UX pages experience of the client was like, whoa, I don't need these pages. Oh, what do you need? We said to them that because even the smallest thing as well, takes a note over here, so you need to look around on these as well. So okay, on our request, he agreed on this, and we started working. We had a relationship with a Google dedicated manager. We kept on sending me emails, and because we did it on priority because the client had the spending being paused, all because the account was suspended again. So and now this one was for circumventing system. Last time was for doesn't comply with the Google terms and conditions. So now this was very frustrating. So, but now we are very happy to announce that the account is unsuspended again. So again, it's a win-win for my team and for the client as well. Again, if you ask me, it's always a teamwork, and I like to give this credit to my team. So I like to appreciate everyone who worked day and night to make it restored. So in case if you need uh, Google Ads, Google Merchant Center, Facebook ads, Google Business Profile, any of your account is suspended, me and my team can help you. If you need management on Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, me and my team can help you. If you need SEO services, we can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to get started work with us. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel as well, so that whenever I put a new video, you guys get a notification. For that, you also need to press the bell icon as well. So once again, thank you for watching. In case if you still have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.